Guys, welcome to a very fast unboxing. Let's see what's in the package. No idea, it just showed up in the mailbox. I'm very excited to find out what it is. Come on, get out there. Okay, so it looks like it is Anafi. For the Parrot Anafi, it should be the blades. So package came in kind of damaged, as you can see here. Not sure how to open it. I'll just pull over here. Oh, that was not a good idea. I can't really tell how to open this. Maybe it's this way. This way. Come on. Come on. Oh, there it is. Oh, this is cool. It even comes with its little thingy over there. The little screwdriver. Cool. And all the different blades. Now, I don't know if this is compatible in any way with the DJI drone, but if it is, maybe these are quieter than what I came with the drone. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.